Questions over answers first, and then we'll. Kendall? 14 was the square root of 34. Sam? Sam?
What was 19?
19, 6x cubed y squared. Leah? 17 is 0. 8?
1.
1 was 40 and 40. Dramatic pause. Charles?
Can you do
I would love to.
number 14?
This would be the part where any good mathematical students may want to jot down some notes. No, yes, no, I'm just saying. Tis the season. Charlie asked about this ever-burning question on number 14. I don't know how much of an explanation we did on this one. Did we talk about why is this irrational? Why does it use the words irrational number? It uses the word irrational number, River, because
It's not a 5.
yeah, it's not a perfect triple. It's not a Pythagorean triple. You don't get a nice clean number. You get a square root of something. All square roots that don't work out are called irrational because they don't work out. And they're just really long decimal number that never ends. So if it tells you it wants an irrational number, your answer probably is going to end up being a square root of something. So you can try and look and see if there's a Pythagorean triple that has a 5 and a 3 in it, but you have to remember the 5 and the 3 have to be the legs, not the hypotenuse. So this one doesn't work, because this one, the hypotenuse has to be 5. So you actually have to, ladies and gentlemen, do some hard math, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And as always, put parentheses for those letters so you don't get confused. A squared is 3, b squared is 5, and c squared we don't know. And watch how nice this is. What is 3 times 3? 9. What is 5 times 5? 25, and that equals c squared. What is 9 plus 25? 34. So you get 34 equals c squared. And anytime you have the letter squared equals a number, the answer to that is just the square root of that number. So c is going to equal the square root of 34. You should, though, you should be able to tell me what the square root of 34 is close to. What is the square root of Sam? What would be the square root of 34 would have to fall between what two numbers? What's actually awful close to what? Right, which is what? So this is awful close to 6. Very close to 6, because the square root of 36 is 6. So it's between 5 and 6, but closer to 6. But they didn't ask you that. That's just your own personal excitement. Is that it? Just one question? We can just call it a day, Liv?
13.
Yeah, did you draw the circle?
Yeah.
On a 6-foot diameter circular table? You wrote the diameter as being 6 feet?
Yeah.
And you wrote the area of a circle is what?
Pi.
Pi times radius, and they told you to use this for pi. So it's 3.14. What is the radius? Oh, yeah. The radius is only 3, not 6. So if you put 6, that's kind of nice. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
So it's 3.14 times 9. 36, 3, 12, 1, 28.26. Did I get that right? Feet squared. So much to do, so little time to do it. Charles.
Number 9.
Number 9. The outside surface of a cereal box. Charlie, did you draw that cereal box?
Yes.
And what kind of cereal was it? Charlie?
You're the same.
Well, you get to make your own. What would you call it?
Charlie Grips.
Charlie Loops, did you say? So this is 10 inches, Charlie. Oh, wait, no. Oh, 7 inches long. It doesn't matter what you call what. Let's say this is 7, this is 10, and then the width is 2. You're going to make Charlie loops? Charlie, if you had your own brand of cereal, what would you call it? Ander Flakes? Ander Flakes. So Charlie, how do we find surface area of a box?
Adding the side.
Did you?
Yes.
You've got a front and a back, and a right side and a left side, and a top and a bottom. Charlie, what's the area of my front of this box? 7 times 10 is?
70.
Did you get a couple 70s in your answer?
Yes.
Because the back's going to be the same. Front and back are the same. The right side, Charlie, 2 times 10. Charlie,
20.
did you get 2 20s?
No.
Is that where we went wrong? And then the top and the bottom, Charlie, is 7 times 2, which is 14. So you got 2 70s, 2 20s, and 2 14s all added together.
Yeah.
Where'd you go wrong, sir?
I messed up on. And with left, right, so left and right with the front and back, and
Well, it doesn't matter. You can draw your box any way you want. You're just gonna come up. I mean, you could have had your right side and left side be 70, but you gotta use you gotta use every dimension once times every other dimension. Brendan,
should we do number 5?
can we or did we? Should we? We should. We shall do number 5. If a marble is drawn from a bag, what's the probability the marble is blue? So did you draw a bag, Brendan?
No.
Brendan. Here's my bag of marbles. What is it? A bag of red marbles in the ratio of 3 to 2. There are 24 red marbles. How many blue marbles are there? Well, you had to get problem number 4 right to get number 5 right.
Yeah, I got 4 right.
Alright. So what'd you get for how many blue marbles are there?
16.
Alright, so you got 16 blue marbles. So in this bag, no, I guess it doesn't matter because they told you the breakdown of them, but that doesn't matter. There are how many? 24 reds, Brendan, and there are 16 blues, and they want the probability of a blue marble. How many blue marbles are there, Brendan Massey?
16.
How many total marbles are in the bag?
There are
16 plus 24 is 40. Yeah, where you went wrong? Yes.
Yeah.
Then you divide it by 8, divided by 8, it's 2/5. Which you could have just used this. 2 red to 3 blues is 2 red to 5 total. But either way it works. That's your probability. Gauss, 15. Odds are at least relatively good. Is that on top of this page? Is it? Oh, kids! Everybody say thank you, Olivia. Thank you. Why are we thanking Olivia? Why are we thanking? It's on my quest to tell you 1,000,000 times what to do when there's a fraction in front of a letter. This is number about 10 or 11. It probably is. So what do you do when there's a fraction in front of a letter? That did not sound like everybody in unison there.
Flip and multiply.
One more time with gusto.
Flip and multiply.
Flip and multiply.
Oh, Mrs. Lutz
Flip
saying
and
flip and
multiply. I'll remember
multiply.
that now.
Bam, and there's your answer. Your answer is 4 7s. Mrs. Lutz, how are you today?
I'm excellent. How are you doing? Good.
Very good.
I have a question for you.
Ooh,
How hard
I'm
is it?
intrigued.
3rd and 4th grade would like to do some just dance for PE or just movement.
I love just
How?
dance.
I know, just dance kids. How hard would it be to have someone come into the gym and set that up so we could do it in the gym on one of the big screens? Is it hard? Please be honest with me.
Wait,
We're
What is it? Is it a DVD or is it?
No,
on
no,
the
it's just
computer?
off the internet, YouTube.
I would think it would be very easy because the computer should all be hooked up to the screen and it should be right there.
Okay.
What time is such an event happening?
Whenever we want it to. Whenever.
Is somebody in there right now?
Well, we were in there getting everybody ordered where they were supposed to be now that our advisors are there. So we were just talking, Ms. Kendall and I, about it.
When would be your favorite time for such an activity?
Whatever time you can help us. That would be my favorite time.
Let me get these guys going on their test and then will you have your breaker 19 on?
It'd be pretty convenient if you can do it right now.
What?
So it would be quite convenient if you could do it.
Yeah, you can see Brady can't.
But the only problem, Brady, is I don't want to leave you with like unanswered math questions for your big test tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
See,
Yeah,
that-
I do not want to take away from that.
I sense we're getting close to the end. This is Lutz. Once we get to the end, I will go in there and see if it turns on for me and everything works. And then because all you have to do is go to the website, right?
Yeah. You want me to go turn it on?
You know how to turn it on?
No.
Then probably not.
I don't know. I don't know what the place. That's why I'm like, I'm not touching it. I'm gonna go ask Mr. Ahmad.
You might be able to, if you can find an 8th grader, Andrew Fox may be able to point you in that right
What class are
direction.
you in?
Right there, over.
And they're just watching a movie, so he may know. Ask him if he knows how to turn all the stuff on. I mean, you have to do it the right order. Wow, and then suddenly there's 4. Kendall Wills, 11 who?
11. I think, and then y equals x times 2.
That's the same thing. You could write y equals, but usually rather than doing this, we always put the letter in front, the number in front of the letter. 2x is x times 2, it's all the same thing. Perfectly fine. River, right. Number 2? Just like the 5th time I've done number 2. Really? I have to do multiplication again, Rev? What is the cost of 10.2 gallons of gasoline at $2.18.9 per gallon? Did you do that multiplication, sir? 2.189 times 10.2. You did that? Did you get the right digits by chance? I mean, I'll do it. 2 times 9 is 18, 16, 17, 3, 4. I always put zeros down here because those zeros always confuse me. And then 9, 8, 1, 2. You good with this, Rev? Is it looking like, I'm not seeing that on. Did you get 2, 2, 3, 2, 8, 7, 7, 8? Did I get that right, first of all? Okay. So here's the deal, Rev. How do you multiply decimals? You count decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 22.3278, and that's dollars. Right? And the problem with this is we only go up to cents in money. We don't do thousandths of a cent. We don't do 10,000ths of a cent. But the little gas station isn't going to take a hit every time it has to round down. So it looks at this. Your answer is either going to be $22.32, or you're going to add an extra penny to that, and it's going to be 23 cents. And because this number next to the cents, next to the hundreds place is a 7, they're going to charge you, the poor little consumer, an extra penny because this 7 makes it closer to 33 cents than it was 32 cents. So it's $22.33. Did you multiply wrong, or you got to this part and you didn't know where to go from there? But this is an actual legit problem. You go to the gas station right now, I think when I went past Shell this morning, it was $2.41 a gallon. But if you look at the little gas station thing, there's a little thing on the sign that says a fraction 9/10. That means it's actually this price for a gallon of gas. It's like 2.419. It's really much closer to 42 cents. Which might not seem to be a lot to you, but if you charge 1 penny per gallon for every gallon that is sold in the United States on a given day, I'm going to look at Google and ask. Let's see what that would actually be. What do you think? How many gallons of gas are bought in the U.S. every day?
A lot. Like a million.
Oh, I'll bet that's way. I'll bet that is way low. I'll bet that is super
I'm
low.
gonna say 2.35
37 million.
$2.35 billion.
1 billion.
How many gallons of gas are sold?
15 million.
If you get it exact. It's really something.
50.
US per day, here it is.
Is it close?
You have to write it down.
1 Well, let me give you the preview on this. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, or the EIA, Americans consumed 140.43 billion gallons of gas in 2015. That's
Oh,
a
in a
year.
year.
I was kind of close.
So per day,
Divide that by,
that is 390 million.
oh, I was off.
Yeah, I was sure.
So, answering our question,
I said 1 billion.
390 million. The question is, so what about the penny per gallon? If you have 390 million pennies, how much money is that? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 390,000? That's pennies. Oh, is that my phone?
Indeed.
This one's an important call.
Tell you what time.
Yes. Wait, I'll go ahead. Talk amongst yourself, children.
That was a joking
I don't feel anything. What's There's a lot of and finally Like science just take me down that just happens. Like that. Like we figure out how to and we're like, okay, this is we're just doing this out. Now that brain from I don't know what it's like. So now I'm like, oh, we need a new thing.
Any other questions over math? Oh, we're at how many cents is that? 390 million is how many dollars? What did you say it was? How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 309, almost $4 million for that extra penny they round up for a gallon of gas. Charles.
Can you do number 18?
Is this the one? Oh yeah, I love 18. 18 is probably my favorite problem of the day. All right, Charlie, did you do the square root first, sir?
Yes.
What is 25 minus 16? 9, right? Did you get, what is the square root of 9?
3.
You got that? And then what is a negative 5 plus 3, Charlie? 5 negatives and 3 positives gives you
Negative 2.
-2 over 2. And what is that?
0.
No. 2 divided by 2, Charlie, is 1. And one of them is negative, so the whole thing is negative. You with me? Is that what you got, Haley? Just say yes. Yes, perfect. You got it. Kate?
Can you do number 12 on the board?
Well, what's number 12 asking you for? Just circumference. Remember we talked about, I think it was you guys, anytime they ask you how far a wheel travels in one revolution, that is circumference. So circumference equals pi times diameter. So it's just gonna be 3.14 times diameter, which is 30. You with me on that, Kate? Did you do 3.14 times 30?
Yeah.
Let's go with that. Me go over again. Leah? Sure. I should probably do it off to the side over here. Alright, so we've got, let me do it right here, Leah. Negative 12 minus negative 3 times 4 over negative. Let's do the bottom first. Leah, what do you get if you multiply negative 3 times negative 4? What's 3 times 4, Leah? 12. Two negatives make something positive. So that's the bottom. You with me? Top, what do you get when you multiply 3 times 4 here? 12. And how many negatives are there? 2. The minus sign is also a negative. So you actually end up with a positive 12 there as well. 2 negatives, 2 negatives. Doesn't matter where they come. And then this one is negative. So you have a negative 12 plus 12, which is 0 on top, 12 on bottom. 0 divided by 12 is 0.
Mr. Hunter just broke the 10 Commandments.
No, that's not dividing by 0. This is 0 divided by 12. The 10 Commandments of math says this. You can't do that. That is unacceptable. You can do this though. 0 divided by 12.
I'll go there.
Sorry for accusing you.
Alright. I'll take that under advisement. Charles! You wanna do 19? Anybody want me to do number 19? That's an affirmative yes, I hear. 19 should not be difficult, ladies and gentlemen. 3 times 2 is 6. X squared times x is x cubed. You have 3 x's times themselves, and 2 y's times themselves is just y squared. I did what? Oh, Charlie. Not today. Other ones, children, are we done? Romo, you're good? Nordquist? 20? Sure, might as well. We don't have many left to go. Ellie, did you line them all up in one big thing here? What was your common denominator, Ellie? What? 24, did you say? How about 12? Can I do 12? You could do 24. Did you do 24? I'll do 24 just because. You can do 24, just means you got to reduce in the end. And then did you multiply 4 times 6, so 1 times 6 is 6 24s. 12 times 2, so 1 times 12 is 12. 6 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. Did you add 6 plus 12 is 18, plus 20 is 38 24s? Is that what you got, Ellie? Or no? I'll take that under advisement. Divide them both in half if you're reducing. 19 over 12. And it's improper. 12 goes into 19 one time is 7 left over. 7 12s. I got all day. I've got all day. Ronnie Johnson, I have all day. Nobody else? I'll stop right there. I'm not afraid to stop. Oh, we're 48 seconds short of a half an hour. River, do you have a joke?
I came across the